caught you in a spin cycle. Time to wash away your worry. Most of these mysterious looking codes are simply your machine's way of saying, hey, I need a quick fix. And the best part, these can be easily solved by you. Let me show you how. Ever seen IE on the display? It stands for inlet valve error. It simply means that the machine isn't getting enough water supply. It can happen due to various factors like the water supply being off, or taps aren't fully open, or maybe the inlet hose is bent, or the filter is clogged. But here's what you can do. Check another tap for water flow. Fully open the water tap, straighten the inlet hose, and clean the inlet hose filter if it's clogged. That wasn't a tough load, right? Ready for the next one? OE might be the other code flashing on your machine display. It just means it's a drain error. It happens when the drain hose is bent or blocked, or the drain filter is clogged. No stress. It has an easy fix. Simply straighten and check the drain hose or clean the drain filter. Your machine should be back to normal in no time. Another error you might come across is UE. That's just an unbalanced error. It means that either the load is too small or the clothes are unevenly spread. Here's an easy fix. Add 1 to 2 similar items or rearrange the load so it can spin properly. Another error that might show up on your screen is DE1 or DE2, which simply means door open error. Why does it pop up? Because the door isn't fully closed, or maybe the lock is faulty. Easy fix. Close the door firmly till it clicks and check the door lock. If it's broken, you will have to exchange it. Smooth spin, right? Shall we tackle the next one? FE. That's an overflow error. Your washer is taking in more water than it should, usually because of a faulty valve. What can you do to solve it? Turn off the water tap, unplug the machine, and call for service. Another error you might see is PE. It means pressure sensor error, which happens when the water level sensor isn't working properly. Wondering what to do? We'll do exactly what we did during the overflow error. Close the water tap, unplug the machine, and call for service. Time to decode the next error code. Is your display showing LE? That's a locked motor error, which means the motor is overloaded. To fix this, just restart the cycle after 30 minutes. If the error is not solved, call for service. If you see TE next, it just means thermistor error. Your thermistor is either open or shortened. The only fix? It needs to be replaced. Moving on to the next, 3E1 and 3E2. It's a vibration sensor error. If it's 3E1, then the out of balance sensor is defective. If it's 3E2, then it means there's a load imbalance. In either case, the sensor needs to be replaced. Another error you might see is 5UD5. This shows up when you've used too much detergent. It's not really an error. The machine is just removing extra bubbles. Once the bubbles are gone, it will clear automatically and continue the cycle. Hold the spin, we are going to address Wi-Fi related errors. If it's any, then Wi-Fi module is disconnected or broken. If it's NF, then there's no Wi-Fi signal or Wi-Fi is not registered with the machine. Just a little spin of logic and it's sorted. But if the errors still don't rinse out, it likely needs a repair visit. Get in touch and we'll sort it out for you. Until then, keep the dust off your laundry and the worries off your mind.